Welcome to DJMTV.
My correct people agree to now. Welcome now once again to DJMTV. Hey, my people, hey. Wait, this is now the Nigerians. Now all these African people they put for fun, they call scammers. Now the Nigerians now they scam. Hey. We not even know say we dey learn for wait someday. My people right now. Kenya senator. Now they don't catch now say he package stone spray and package am present am as gold begin dey sell take do South Africa. E shock una be. Senator, if our Nigerians brothers they do that, we never do reach like this. This is the height of it. This man package stone. Anyway, wanna watch this news. Wanna watch and make one not forget to like and share. Watch the video.
Okay, let's take you back to our top story. And DCI detectives are tonight investigating yet another gold scam case allegedly involving a senator who, together with other accomplices, had allegedly planned to swindle a South African national of over 5 million shillings to secure his gold, which they claimed had been confiscated by custom officers while en route to South Africa from Sierra Leone. All detectives who raided a house in Runda Estate, where the team has set base, arrested 3 people and recovered 16 metallic boxes, fake dollars, and fake gold bars.
At this palatial home in Runda Estate in Nairobi, detectives are busy loading black metallic boxes inside this truck. Inside the house, more detectives armed with machetes are busy opening other boxes recovered inside the house. Another case of a gold scam, one of the many that have rocked the country of late. 16 metallic boxes, some loaded with stones, water and small boxes, were recovered during the raid. These 2 ladies, Fauzia Wanjiru Wambui, Fatma Tet and Jackson Ochieng Wesonga, a watchman, were arrested during the raid at the palatial home where they allegedly operate from with the blessings of their boss, who is said to be an influential politician. The raid follows a complaint made by a victim, Ralph Manyaka, a South African national who had allegedly imported 30 kilograms of gold from Sierra Leone to Dubai, transiting through Kenya, only to receive a call that his consignment had been confiscated in Nairobi. He flew to Kenya and met a man by the name George Otieno, who identified himself as a customs official.
I saw the consignment. My signature was on the consignment, exactly as assigned in Sierra Leone. Now, I said, no, it's okay, but then what are the issues? Then he said, no, the issues are the insurance, the goods are not insured, and the goods does not have declaration. But the other thing is the buyer wanted, to change the consignee details.
He was asked to part with $36,000, an equivalent of 5.3 million shillings, as payment for his goods to be released. He got suspicious and involved the police, who laid a trap on Saturday when he was expected to pay the cash. However, to his shock, the consignment that he had signed according to these documents now contained fake gold bars.
Though I'm not too sure whether I'm going to retrieve the gold, but the investigation is still going on. Mr. George Otieno will be able to tell us where the gold has gone, because I saw the consignment in his office. He's the only person who can tell us how did the gold come to Kenya and how did it depart to Kenya, if it has departed to Kenya, and to where.
Manyaka wants police to arrest the man who identified himself as George Otieno and whom he believes should provide his gold consignment, insisting that he is a businessman involved in the trade of minerals. Sources close to investigations intimated to Citizen TV that the group could be working in cahoot with a senator to con unsuspecting foreigners interested in gold business. The 3 suspects are expected to be arraigned in court on Monday.
DJ TV. DJ TV.